Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with my puppy. His name is Oreo. He is 6 months old and he is a Maltese and Shih Tzu. This is what he looks like. He's a cute little baby. He's super hyper. He likes to dig holes in the backyard. He likes to bite on everything. Like anything he sees, he will bite on it. And he loves to be scratched. What else does he like? He's just so cute. He's like the cutest little baby. I love him so much. And I'm gonna show you guys today his toys, his food, his bed, like all of his stuff. I'm about to show you guys. Are you tired? You wanna go show them your toys? Okay, let's go see his toys and his stuff. Okay, so right here we have his box filled with all of his stuff in here. He has a lot of stuff. You want to come show them your stuff? Here's Oreo. Okay, so the first thing he has are some little snacks. This is what they look like. And he loves biting on these. The next thing he has is his flea and tick spray. And then he has this freshening spray. It smells so good, I like this. And then he has some shampoo. Then he has some flea and tick shampoo, which he actually needs a shower. I only showered him once. I've only had him for like 3 weeks. So yeah, and then he has a conditioner. And then he has a little brush. Like to be brushed? And then these are a bunch of poop. They're called pickup bags. That's what they look like. They're just little bags to pick up his poop. And then he has the cutest little boots, which I've tried putting them on once, but he didn't like them. And then he has this, man, I don't know what this is called, like to cut his hair. There's like a bunch of scissors and like a little razor in there. And then he has this flea and tick collar. And then he has this little bandana. And then he has this big jar of treats. You want a treat? Yummy. And then in here I have his his little passport. And then he has a collar in here. And then just some scissors. And that's pretty much everything that's in here. That is all. So I'm going to show you guys his toys and his bed. You want to go show them your toys now? He is so cute, guys. Look at him. Say hi. Say hi. No, you don't want to say hi? Okay, let's go show them your toys. So right here we have some of his toys. He has this one. And then he has this little bone. Oh, it's like food. It's not a bone, it's like just like food in there. He likes it. And then this one, he hates this one. He never like plays with it or anything. And then he has this little rope, which he also hates. And then he has this one. It's the cutest one. He likes this one. You like it? And then right here we have where we store his food in here. And then There he is. There he is. And then back here we have his food and his water. And that's pretty much it. You want to go outside? You want to go outside and play? Yeah? Let's go outside. You want to go? Come on. Let's see if he jumps. Yay! Good job, Oreo. And he knows how to sit too. Let me see. Sit. Ooh, good job. Good job. Let's see if he'll do it again. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Sit. Come on, come on. Sit. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys his collar. Well, it's not his collar. It's like his leash and his collar. They're over here. Let's go show them. Come on. Come on, let's go show them. Come on. Okay, so it's over here. This used to be his leash, but then I got this one. So this is what it looks like. It's just black. And then this is his little collar. It has a little bow on it. And then right here is where his poop bags are. Right here. And then in this bag, it's filled with treats in here. And every time he poops outside or pees, I give him a treat. So yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. Right? That's what your leash looks like. And every time I grab it, he gets so happy because he knows we're gonna go outside. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And here is Oreo one last time. He's gonna say goodbye. Make sure to follow him down below. I will link his Instagram. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Huh? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.